What does Ibogaine do? Well, it works on so many different aspects of our system. It works on the brain, the mind, the body, and the soul. And understanding really the difference between the brain and the mind, right, is traditionally the way that we think a lot of pharmaceutical medicine, such as antidepressants, it really helps the brain or the neurochemistry of the brain help heal the mind. While traditionally psychedelics, the way we think of them is it helps us in the mind come to a conclusion, a rational conclusion of our life to potentially heal the brain. But what's interesting about Ibogaine is that it does both. It helps the brain heal the mind and it helps the mind heal the brain. And in fact, it's not even classified as a classical psychedelic. It's technically an onerogenic, meaning it's dream-inducing in a wakeful state. It binds to many different receptors. Traditional psychedelics bind to the 5-HT2A receptor or serotonin 2A receptor. This binds to serotonin, dopamine, even the opioid receptor, which is why it's so effective for opioid addiction. And so it helps unstick patterns that were required for us to determine how to survive. Old pathways, patterns that no longer serve us. In the dopaminergic system, things like coffee, things like even nicotine, even cell phone addiction, even patterns of getting angry. And so it interrupts all of that entire system. It interrupts withdrawal in the body. It really is essentially, flooding the system with BDNF, which is basically like fertilizer or Miracle-Gro for the brain. And it gives the neurons and the dendrites an opportunity to revitalize and grow. It's helping neuroplasticity. It's also helping neurogenesis. And so it really helps release trauma that's locked in the brain and the body as well.